Hello, hello, hello! Today I will be showcasing my Week 7 assignment, where I have to answer the questions with the coding of being right. So first, before we get started, I'm going to show off question 13 first, which was basically, if you have a problem you need to fix with a function. So what I did is I made a border full of questions, because I need to really separate answers, and you can see here, it really works well. So let me real quick clear this so I can start it again. All right. And as we see for question 1, we have an array here that subtracts the one from the last section and from the first one to get the minus ages. And we can make a new variable by pushing a number there. Then we also get the new variables, so the new ages and the new minus ages. Then down here we have an average. Next, we have the question 2, which we have to basically make a concatenation of the names and also an average of how much numbers they have. So as you can see here, the average is here, and the concatenation is right here. Then we have question 3 of how to access the last element of an array. And you can see right here, you do array, and then in brackets, array.length minus 1. And it goes with any length of the array, so you don't have to worry about it. Instead of just doing like array length 5 or something like that. And by accessing the first thing of the array, you have to do array bracket 0 because it has a 0-based counting system. So it goes 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, for question 5, we have to make the name lengths of an array of just the length of each the length of each word that goes into the new array. So as you can see, it goes from 3, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 3. Next, we have question 6, which we have to add all the numbers up together. So we have the 3, 8, 11, 16, 20, 23. Then for the concatenation of, well, it's more adding a bunch of the same word, whatever. We have the loop right here, takes in a word, takes in a number, and it goes all the way here. We have meow, then 7, so it's meow 7 times. Then for the 8 function, we have to make a full name from a first name and last name. So I chose Chowder Burgess, which is the name of my cat. Well, his first name is just Clam, actually, but whatever. He goes by his middle name. And we can see it shows up right here. Next, we have function 9, which takes in a array of numbers, and it goes through to add them all up, then see if it's greater than 100. If it is, it prints out this is true. If it isn't, it prints out less than 100. As you can see right here, we have both results right here. Next, for number 10, it basically gets the average of an array of numbers, like you'd see up there, so we can have the average right here. Then for question 11, we have to take two arrays, find the averages, then compare them. As you see right here, I just copied the code from up here and here. Then to compare them, I did that, so if average num is bigger than average num2, it says first array is bigger than the value. Then it goes from here, second array, then if they have the same, it just goes to both have the average. Lastly, for question 12, we have to see if it's hot outside, it's to get a drink. So, if it's hot outside, it equals to true, and money in pocket is greater than 1050, the console will log it as true. If it's not, it'll be false. So as you can see here, we have true, then greater than 1050, results as true. Then, because neither of these are true here, it is false. And that is it. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you very much.